How does a 700 kg per hour cashew shelling line actually work? First, the system is started. Raw cashew nuts are automatically fed into the processing line and transported to the 16-head cashew shelling machine, where the hard shells are cracked quickly and precisely. After shelling, the cashews are transferred to a vibrating separator, robotic sorting system, and automatic grading system. These systems automatically separate kernels and shells, identify uncut cashew nuts, and detect kernels still partially trapped inside the shells. The partially shelled cashews are then sent to an automatic centrifugal separation system, where the remaining kernels are efficiently recovered. All cashew kernels are then collected and transferred to one collection area, while all shells are automatically conveyed to the shell storage area. The result is faster shell removal, reduced labor costs, and up to 7 times higher productivity compared to manual shelling. TTQ Company, Limited complete solutions for cashew processing factories.